Did he?
Stop acting right. Hey, girl. What are you doing, Misty?
Misty wants that stuffed animal. Quit. Don't do that to Buster. What's the matter? You want to play throw that stuffed animal, Rachel? See if she'll throw it. She'll go after it. Throw it.
No, you're always good.
Yes. They're all always good.
Not all of them.